Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry is a very funny cartoon. Tom is a big gray cat, and Jerry is a small brown mouse. Tom always tries to catch Jerry, but Jerry is very smart and fast. Most of the time, Tom's plans go wrong, and he hurts himself instead of catching Jerry. Even though they fight a lot, sometimes they help each other. In some stories, Tom and Jerry become friends. If Jerry is in trouble, Tom will help him, and if Tom needs help, Jerry will help too. The cartoon is fun to watch because it makes us laugh. It also teaches us that even if we don't always get along with someone, we can still be friends and help each other. When Tom and Jerry work together, they can solve problems faster. The show reminds us, be kind and help others. Do you watch cartoons on TV? If you do, you may know the famous cartoon show Tom and Jerry. It is one of the most famous cartoon shows in the world. Each episode is about 7 minutes long, and the show has won many film awards. Tom and Jerry are the two main characters. Tom is a cat. His full name is Tom Cat, which refers to male cats. He is always chasing Jerry, the mouse. Tom sets traps for Jerry, but many of the traps backfire and hurt Tom instead. Tom doesn't want to eat Jerry. He just bothers and tries to hurt him. He keeps chasing Jerry, but it's not easy to catch him. Jerry is clever, smart, and lucky. Tom and Jerry are not always enemies. Sometimes they show friendship. For example, in the short movie Springtime for Thomas, they help each other. In Jerry and the Lion, they are also friends. In that episode, Tom sees Jerry badly hurt by a gunshot, so he brings a first aid kit to help him. Tom and Jerry is a funny show that makes people laugh a lot. It also teaches a lesson: love our enemies. When they fight, problems happen. But when they are friends, everything becomes easier. If they share a common goal, they work together. Sure enough, if you love and help each other, life will be easier for you too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.